And everybody, give me a second. Classes. All right. 1 second. Happy Monday, everybody. Let's see if... All right, all good. Give me a second. As always, propaganda on YouTube. And yeah, good morning, good evening, happy Monday. Give me a second, everybody. Propaganda again. Click up. Alright, we're on. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world. This is Mike, the FX boss, broadcasting you live, and this is the Technical Forex and Crypto Course 101. Never forget, trading is a learnable skill. Our job is to bring you from zero to a millionaire trader in about 3 years, on average, in an institutional way. What does this mean? It's Monday, right? Let's not forget, you're first an analyst, then you are a trader. Hello, Alexander, how are you? Happy Monday. Alright, Forex Course 101, it's all about the market. It's called the learning phase. Here you learn how to lose less. And then Forex Course 202, the advanced institutional trader course, it's called the money phase. Forex Course 303, you don't need it necessarily, everybody. Alright? And as always, if you didn't receive the free manual, and today we are going to go to... Today we are starting the Fibonacci's, everybody. It's a wrong title, it's trading Japanese candlesticks. It's a wrong title, it's trading the Fibonacci numbers, the ABCD swing, and the rules. Okay, if you didn't receive the free manual, please send me an email to mikefxboss@gmail.com. Type in the chat, Mike, send me an email, send me the manual. Alright, everybody, and today let's open, everybody, page 169 in the manual. We are starting the Fibonacci's. And if you didn't receive the free ebook, everybody, the little book of trading secrets with this beautiful guy, then please visit the www.fxbossfx.com. Again, it doesn't cost you a cent. Alright, everybody, never forget, you are going to graduate from this course, everybody. Number one, you have your chart set up and ready for trading. Number two, you have a strategy in place, you understand why you win, why you lose. And number three, you have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. Risk disclaimer, this stream is not trading or investment advice. We are here to learn. Alright, everybody? So this is the I believe we have we're going to cover indicators, alright? So we have Fibonacci's and indicators, and then we are done with the technical 101 course, everybody, right? Okay, so if you want this month, take advantage of the Black Friday promotion. Alexander Katsko, alright? You are with us a few years, Alexander, right? I mean, if you can, everybody, okay? I know life is complex, I know you have bills to pay, alright? If you can, alright? I'm not here to push you, okay? But if you can, take the advantage, because we are ending, in about... It's going to be Christmas, I believe. We are going to end, the Technical Forex Crypto and Trading Course 101, and then we're going to restart again in January, alright? Okay, everybody, so the ABCD swing and the rules, okay? Now, we are talking about the Fibonacci, alright? We're talking about the Fibonacci swing. the Fibonacci swing. Okay, everybody. So we have an upswing, and we have a down Fibonacci swing. All right, upswing, and here we're going to have a down Fibo swing. Okay, how it goes? It starts with the low, then it goes to a high, then it goes to this point, and then it goes to a higher high. Okay, and the first leg, everybody, it's called rally, then it's going to be called retracement, rally, retracement, and then it's going to be the next extension. All right, give me a second. Okay, everybody. So this is the Fibonacci swing, and it's called the first leg. It's called the rally. It's just vocabulary. Don't worry, it's nothing special. Then it's going to be called, of course, the retracement. Here the red is the retracement. Okay, and then the green, of course, is the extension. And we can color code this in green, right? Extension. This is the extension, and the retracement we can color code in red. Okay, everybody, a Fibonacci swing. Down Fibonacci swing is going to be similar. We're going to have a dip. Maybe let's use a different color. So it's going to be the dip. Give me a second. Dip is going to be red. Dip and retracement. Changing colors, retracement, and then extension again, right? No, the Fibonacci. Great question, everybody. We need the paper, pen and paper. Great question. The Fibonacci swing, it's not the price action swing. Let's write this down. Thanks for the comment. Not on YouTube, but on the other streaming platform. All right. The Fibonacci swing, it's not, okay, the price action swing. So it's called the dip. Just vocabulary, you can name it extension, retracement, extension. It's all the same, right? So, retracement, and it's going to be black, right? And lastly, the blue is going to be the down extension, right? So it's extension. Okay, everybody? Yes, the Fibonacci swing, it's not the price action swing. Okay, everybody? Remember, those two are not the same. Okay? Now, let's talk about the up Fibonacci first, because it's easier to understand. Okay? So, rally goes from A. Everybody, the rally goes from A to B. Okay? The rally goes from A to B. The retracement goes from B to C, exactly, nothing special. This is why it's called the ABCD swing. And the extension goes from C to D, exactly. Alright, everybody? ABCD, alright, nothing special. And a down Fibonacci swing is the same. So let me see if I can clone. So from A to B, down Fibonacci swing from A to B, it's the dip. From B to C, it's called the retracement. And of course, from C to D, it's called the extension. All right, everybody? A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Nothing special, all right? All good? Now, this is the difficult part, all right? Now, those are the rules that you must learn, everybody. What is the A in an up Fibonacci swing? The A is the... Give me a second. The A is the first low, the absolute low is the starting point of what can I say? So it's a first low, the absolute low is the starting point of a sequence, if you want. Okay, everybody? The A is the first low, the absolute low is the starting point of a sequence. And if we clone chart and let's find the currency pair which is in an uptrend on the monthly, GBP, let's go to GBP USD, very good, GBP USD, it's a nice currency pair, everybody. Okay, and if I go on the monthly, everybody, monthly chart, GBP USD, okay, and here you have the Fibonacci already. Okay, so I'm going to delete this one for the time being. Okay, now in an up Fibonacci swing, you are looking at the monthly chart. The A is the first low, is the absolute low, is the starting point of a sequence. When you're going to chart the Fibonacci on the monthly chart, everybody tell me, is the first circle the A? Is the second circle the A? Or is the third circle the A? Which one is the correct answer? Boss, why are we charting an up Fibonacci on GBP USD? Because we are at the monthly bands, alright? We're going to do more examples, don't worry, this is the first one. GBP USD, everybody, is the first circle the A, is the second circle the A, or is the third? Boss, I don't know. This is the rule, the A is the first low, is the absolute low, is the starting point of a sequence. So, you know, which one of those circles gets the more points about the definition? You would say, well, the first circle is the first low, but the third one is the absolute low, right? Everybody agreed? But when we're talking about an up Fibonacci sequence, alright, so the third circle is not, the first circle is not the, yes, the A is the first low. So if you're looking about for the up Fibonacci, the first circle is not the first low. Agreed, everybody? Why not? Because the price action went down. Can you see it? It's going to take some time, don't worry. Okay? From the monthly band, if you want to chart and find the A, is the absolute low. Okay? It's also the first low, you know, it's of the upswing, right? Up sequence. Agreed, everybody? The first circle, you know, it's the first low, yes, but it's not the first low of an up sequence. Agreed, everybody? Talk to me. Alexander, are you getting it? GBP USD charting Fibonacci's. Which one is the A, everybody? The first circle, the second circle, or the third? Type in the chat. First circle, type in chat, second circle, or the third circle. Which one is the first low of the upswing? Which one is the absolute low of the upswing? Which one is the starting point of the up sequence, everybody. Starting point of the up sequence. Maybe like this is going to be better. Is this the starting point of the up sequence? Is this the absolute low when you're comparing different lows? Is the second circle the starting point of the up sequence based on what you see? Is the second circle the absolute low? Or is the third circle the absolute low? And is the third circle the... Exactly, everybody, alright? One more, so we're going to clone chart. Let's go to GBP cat. GBP cat. That's the monthly chart. Where would you start your up Fibonacci, everybody, your upswing? Would you start your up Fibonacci on the first circle? Would you start your up Fibonacci on the second circle? Or would you start your up Fibonacci on the third circle? There is no right or wrong, don't be shy, we are here to learn. First circle, second circle, third circle. Boss, I don't know. The A is the first low. What is a low? Lesson number 2, a low is a center candle with 2 candles on the left and 2 candles on the right with higher low values. The A is the first low, is the absolute low, is the starting point of the up sequence. Everybody, which circle is the one that respects the rule? Is the first circle the absolute low, the first low, the starting point of the up sequence? Or is the third one? Dave, we had a call on Saturday and Sunday. Where were you? We had a group call. Dave? We're doing the weekly plan Saturday and Sunday. But you can watch the recording, Dave. And yes, the third circle, right? And one more, everybody. If we go to clone chart, one more. Let's open Canada JPY. Okay, everybody. So this is the upper band, right? And this is the lower band. Okay. Where would you start your Fibonacci? Now this is tricky, I know. Where would you start your up Fibonacci? Would you start with the first circle? Would you start with the second circle? Or would you start with the third circle? Let's say that you don't see the future, right? The market is in here. And you are charting, you are trying to plot the Fibonacci's on your chart in the correct way. Which one is the first low, or the absolute low, or the starting point of the up sequence? Which one is the first low, the absolute low, the starting point of the up sequence? I was there, but I thought it's next Saturday. Okay, I'll watch the video. Everybody, which one is the first, the absolute low, the first low, the starting point? Where would you start charting the up Fibonacci? Maybe yes, maybe for the monthly bands you can take, alright, the absolute low, but if you go, maybe you're going to start in here. You need to dress the monthly bands, right? Oh, from the lower band to the upper band, to the upper band to the lower band, right? Let's make a poll, everybody. Which one is the first low, the absolute low, the starting point of a sequence? Type in the chat, is the first circle on Canada JPY, is the second circle on Canada JPY, or is the third circle on Canada JPY? Boss, there is no right. Well, talking about the Fibonacci, it is right or wrong, right? Talking about the Fibs, there is right or wrong. So the first, exactly. All right, all good, everybody. Now, what's the B? What's the B? The B is the first high. The first high ASAP, as soon as possible after the B. Alright, everybody? The B, if the A is the first low, the absolute low, the starting point of the up sequence, the B is the first high as soon as possible is the keyword after the, typo, so after the A. The B is the first high as soon as possible after the A. So on GBP USD, if we determined, alright, I'm going to delete a few things, right? If we determined, alright, if that's the A, if that's the A, in a second, there you go, that's the A. Which one is then the B? For me to connect correctly, is the first circle the B or is the second circle the B? Which one is the B? Remember, the B must be a high, right? Yeah, after the A, thank you, Alexander. Everybody, which one is the B? Is the first circle the B or is the second circle the B? And there is right or wrong. You cannot chart Fibonacci's everywhere and anywhere. Boss, I don't know. The B is the first high as soon as possible after the A. Which one is the first high as soon as possible after the A? Is the first circle the first high or is the second circle the first high? The first. Very good. Okay, everybody? So we have the A, we have the B. We are going to spread the Fibonacci retracement tool, and there you have it. You have your Fibonacci on the chart. And now I don't know how to show to you the Fibonacci parameters. Alright, everybody, take a screenshot of this. Fibonacci retracement to extension levels. Don't ask me why, this is how I've learned, okay? Don't ask me why it's 14% and not 16%, okay? So the first retracement, it's at 14 on Forex. Second retracement, it's 23.6. The third retracement, it's 38.2. The fourth, it's 50. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the fifth, it's 61.8. 14, 23.6, 38.2, 50%, and 61.8. Take a screenshot, photo with the cell phone, type in the chat done. And then we have, so you have 0, the 0 level, the black one. You have the 100 level, the black one. And then the extensions. You have 118, the extension, 127, the extension, and 161.8. 161.8, the extension. Type in the, everybody type in the chat that you're done, take a screenshot or a photo with a cell phone, whatever. Type in the chat done. date and/or Alexander, type in the chat down so I can move forward. There is right. There is right or wrong on the Fibonacci. You can trade the Fibonacci in the wrong way. Okay, type in the chat done, everybody. Done. All right. So we have the A, we have the B, right? On GBP cat, let's go to, I'm going to delete the other non-relevant stuff. So if we decided on GBP cat monthly chart, everybody, that's the A. If that's the A, which one is the B? Is the first circle the B? Is the second circle the B? Or is the third circle the B? Which one is the B on GBP CAD monthly chart? Boss, do I need to have Fibonacci's on the monthly? Absolutely yes. Fibonacci's go on the monthly, weekly, daily, and then the time frame of your choice. Oh, I forgot to tell everybody, I'm sorry, my bad. Fibonacci as a tradable pattern on the daily chart has a statistical edge. You can write this down, right? And you can call me out. You told me, yes I did. You're going to learn the original Fibonacci on the daily chart and the monthly and the weekly, but nobody's trading those ones, has a statistically proven edge. Okay? You have the original Fibonacci, you have the contrarian, you have the Fibonacci the confirmation. The original Fibonacci on the daily chart wins 7 times out of 10. Okay, there are other rules, like Fibonacci doesn't work in consolidation, but when it's trending, okay, you can make money with the Fibonacci, everybody, but you must learn it. Make sense? All the nuances and the rules. First one. All right, so I believe I'm giving you, you know, the example is too easy, right? I need to find a little bit more difficult example. The first one, everybody, so this is the Fibonacci and Canada JPY, everybody, our A, okay? Remember, if you would chart your Fibonacci from the third circle, this would be wrong. Why is that? Because this circle, it's not an absolute low on the monthly band. Okay, so we're going to zoom in, everybody, and so this is the A, right? It's the absolute low, is the starting point of the sequence. Which one is the B? Is the first circle the B? Is the second circle the B? Or is the third circle the B? Which one is the B on Canada JPY monthly chart? Which one is the B, everybody? The B is the first high as soon as possible. After the A is the first circle the B, and hopefully I'm going to trick you right now. Is the second circle the B, or is the third circle the B? Which one is the B? That's the second one. Anybody else? Anybody else? Yeah, I cannot. Excellent, everybody, I'm proud of you. Yeah, the second circle, the first one. I try to trick you. The first one, it's not a high. You need to pay attention, right? So the second is the B. We're going to go here, everybody. Boss, where do I find the Fibonacci retracement tool? It's here, I believe. Fibonacci retracement, it's this kind of A. Fibonacci retracements. Okay? So B to A, we're going to spread from B to A. And now we have our up AB Fibonacci, right? Now, what's the C? And this one is difficult. The C is the, let's make it smaller. The C is the lowest point, not necessarily, correct my English everybody, grammar, maybe to C, right? Not necessarily a low after the B before the market hits the appropriate extension. Alright everybody? The C is the lowest point, not necessarily a low, inside the AB boundary after the B. So it's inside the AB boundary, and I'm sorry, I'm going to put it like this. There you go. The C, so rally extension, retracement. The C is the lowest point, not necessarily a low, inside the AB boundary. So everybody, horizontal line, right? And horizontal line. Now this is the AB boundary here. So the C is the lowest point, not necessarily a low, inside the AB boundary before the market hits the appropriate extension. Okay? You must learn exactly, you must learn these things, everybody, if you want to trade the Fibonacci's and chart the Fibonacci's in the correct way. Okay? Boss, what does this mean before the market hits the appropriate extension? Let's see if we can use the manual. Manual. Alright, so here we talked about this one, A to B, B to C. There you go, everybody. Talking about the C retracements. Okay? Until the market, this is difficult, give me a roll. Can you see it, everybody? Whoops. Okay, I'm going to chart, right? So the C is the lowest point, not necessarily a low, inside the AB boundary after the B, before the market hits the appropriate extension. Okay, so let's go in here. Okay, now what does this mean? We have the capital A, we have the capital B. Okay, and now the market is going to retrace, right? Now, you don't need to complicate too much, everybody. If the market retraces in between the 100% and the 61.8, okay, we say green goes to green, so the green retracement goes to the green extension, all right? This means when we say before the market hits the appropriate D extension. So if that's the C, what's the C? The C is the lowest point inside the AB boundary, and don't worry, we're going to repeat this thousands of times. Boss, there is too much information. Don't worry, we're going to repeat this, hundreds and hundreds of times. So the C is the lowest point, not necessarily a low, before the market hits the appropriate D extension. So that's the C. Now, what if the market goes further down and hits or touches the 5-0? Well, green goes to green. Now that's the new C. The market went deeper. This is now the new C, all right, or the most recent C that you're going to trade, and the D extension is green goes to green. What if the market moves up and goes into a deeper retracement and hits 38.2 green retracement? So this means that you have a deeper C, the most recent C, and the D extension is still the green. Green goes to green, everybody. You don't need even to remember the percentage and the retracements. Just remember the colors. The green retracement goes to the green extension, all right? Now, what if the market goes up and goes into a deeper retracement and hits or touches the blue? You have a new C, the most recent C, but the appropriate D extension is the blue. Can you see, everybody? This is why me personally, I like the Fibonacci, because it gives you clear targets where to shoot at. Where should I profit take? Fibonacci gives you clear targets, on where is the stop loss, where is the take profit, right? So blue goes to blue. What if the market goes into a deeper retracement? If the market goes down and touches or hits the red, then the appropriate D extension is going to be the red. See in here? You're going to have a new C, a deeper C, a more relevant C, okay? Not more relevant, just the relevant C. And two more before we finish, everybody. If the market goes in between the red and the black, the appropriate D extension is still the red. Okay. If the market hits, but it must not break the A. So what if the market goes into a deeper retracement and it's going to touch the A? Then the appropriate extension is the B. Download the recording, rewatch it a few times, and don't freak out. We're going to remember this and re-chart and redo, okay? Don't worry. So that's the C. And lastly, everybody, if the market breaks the A, then this Fibonacci is not valid anymore. So you need to reverse it. Okay? Any questions so far? Type in the chat. Any questions so far? Type in the chat if you have a question, or type in the chat no questions. Date Alexander, everybody else online, type in the chat. Do you have any questions about the C? The C is the lowest point, not necessarily a low, inside the AB boundary after the B, before the market hits the appropriate D extension. Alright? This means that green retracements go to green extension, blue retracements, the C gets deeper and deeper and deeper, goes to the blue extension, the red retracement goes to the red extension, black goes to black, 100 goes to 0, or 0 goes to 100, and if the market breaks the A, this Fibonacci is not valid anymore. Alexander says clear. Alright, everybody. If this is clear, everybody, we are on GBP USD monthly chart. We have our A, we have our B. Is the first circle the C? Is the second circle the C? Or is the third circle the C, everybody? Which one is the C? Student traders on YouTube, Dukascopy Academy. Which one is the C? Is the first circle the C? Is the second circle the C? Or is the third? And I'm going to give you a trick, everybody. It's going to help you for you to spatially see better. Put horizontal lines. Put horizontal lines, everybody, on A and B. This is going to help you a lot in the beginning when you're learning how to chart. Okay, everybody? Put a horizontal line on the A, put a horizontal line on the B, so you can see the C is the lowest point inside the AB boundary after the B. First circle, very good, excellent. Let's go to GBP CAT. Horizontal line on the A, horizontal line on the B. Which one is the C, everybody? Is the first circle the C? Is the second circle the C? Which one is the C? And that's the easy one. Then Canada JPY is going to be the boss sent me a WhatsApp. Did you give your old phone to your kid? I didn't, Captain Yanis, I didn't. I put my old SIM in another phone, and that you got the, you know, that I changed the phone number. I didn't change the phone number. The first one says date. Yes. What about this one, everybody? What about this one? Canada JPY, everybody. Is the first circle the C? Is the second circle the C? Is the third circle the C? Is the fourth circle the C? Is the fifth circle the C? Or is the sixth circle the C? Which one is the C in this case? Everybody, the C is the lowest point, not necessarily a low, inside the AB boundary after the B, before the market hits the appropriate extension. Which one is the C? Date says the fourth. Anybody else? The C is the lowest point inside the AB boundary after the B, before the market hits the appropriate extension. Hedge fund trader Alexander. Talk to me, everybody. What do you think? Fourth, very good. Alright, everybody, so nothing special, alright? Nothing that difficult. Alright? That's the C. Okay, and the last one for today, before we finish, talking about the Fibonacci swing. What's the D? All right, the D in the up Fibonacci swing is a high. It must be a high. Is a high relevant to the C retracement. The D is a high which is relevant to the C retracement. What does this mean? It's relevant to the C retracement. Green goes to green, blue goes to blue, red goes to red, okay? Take a screenshot, type in the chat done. Take a screenshot, everybody, type in the chat done. Screenshot, photo, whatever. Type in the chat done. We're going to move forward. The D is the high relevant to the C retracement. Done, right? Everybody, where are you going to profit take? Are you going to profit take on GBP USD? Are you going to profit take at the green? Are you going to profit take at the blue? Or are you going to profit take at the red? Which one is the D? So it's projected the extension. Everybody, where are you going to profit take? Are you going to profit take at the green? Are you going to profit take at the blue? So you should get out. At the green, very good. This is the projected the extension. Everybody, would you make some money if you would trade GBP USD Fibonacci's on the monthly chart? Yes, boss, we would make some money. Would you make some money if you would trade Fibonacci on GBP CAD monthly chart? Yes, boss, we would make some money. What about in here, everybody? Which one is the projected the extension? Are you going to profit take at the green? Are you going to profit take at the blue? Are you going to profit take at the red? Where should you profit take? At the green, all right, again. Where should you profit take on Canada JPY monthly chart? Everybody, where is the projected the extension? What about the C? Everybody, if you would wait for the counter trend line break, just an example, if you would buy the market in here, just an example, where should you profit take on Canada JPY? The D is the high relevant to the C retracement. That's the last one before we finish for today. And homework, everybody, chart, put the Fibonacci on GBP USD, GBP CAD, okay? Blue, everybody. So let me give you the homework. Until tomorrow, homework, chart Fibs on monthly/weekly on the pairs that are in an uptrend. chart Fibonacci on the monthly and the weekly chart on the pairs that are in an uptrend, meaning the market's moving up, alright? If C did not touch red line, then it goes to the blue. Okay, everybody? So, congratulations to you. So you can use for profit taking another line, horizontal line, everybody, and you go down, 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 down. And as you can see, the market, if you increase the scale, the market didn't touch the red, so it goes to blue, right? Now pay attention, because we are moving up, 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 and see, everybody, the market hit the blue level, right? The market hit the blue level, but the market didn't stop there. Okay? What does this mean? When you are going to chart the D, remember that the D must be a high. Okay? So A, B, C, D, from A to B, B to C, C to D, and D must be a high. Okay? Now what we're going to do, we are going to move. A goes to C, B goes to D, and don't worry, we're going to repeat this countless times. A goes to C, B goes to D, and we are going to readjust our Fibonacci. You have a new Fibonacci sequence. This is how you readjust the Fibonacci in an uptrend. Alright, A, B, C, D. Okay, this is not, so this is not, okay. And as you can see, everybody, if you would rate, it's a monthly chart, alright, but if you would rate the monthly chart, you know, Fibonacci works, right? A, B, C, D. Alright, everybody, our time is up. Study the manual, do the homework, chart the Fibonaccis on the monthly and the weekly. Tomorrow we're going to check together the weekly chart, GBP USD, GBP CAD, Canada JPY, whatever. Okay, everybody? Chart the Fibs on the monthly and the weekly, that's the homework. And study the Fibonacci with the manual. Come back to class with questions. Alright? See you tomorrow. This is the boss. Take advantage, everybody. Take advantage if you can. I'm not sure Black Friday is. Last week. Last week in November, September, October, November. Alright, everybody. Okay? Never forget, you are the boss of your account. Study the Fibonacci as a boss.